This is Fenix E06R, 700 lumens, battery indicator solid green, battery fully charged. So I'm gonna show you the outputs. Press and hold, eco, low, medium, high. Pretty amazing, better than the E03R V2. Eco is good for something reading or something. On way up, low. From the up, it has memory mode. Now it's off and we switched it up on low. It will be on low again when I turn it on. Low. Now on way up, medium. Medium is good for just seeing, walking. Flat beam, very good spill. Spill area is very big. Now the last high. High is amazing, 700 lumens. Before, after. Before, after. Eco, low, medium, high. You see that that point is now getting brighter as uh, I go to higher setting. Eco, low, medium, high. This is on eco, low, medium, low, medium, high. Very nice. I like it. Look the difference. Eco, low, medium, high. Very good light. Eco, low, medium, high. Now it has also UV light and red laser. And red laser is strong enough. I have seen it. So once again, eco, low. Now if I walk, I don't need to walk. Low, medium. Medium is quite bright. High. Now the UV light, to get to the UV light, there is a side button indicated with purple color and red color, which is on is for UV, on is for red laser. Now turn on the UV. Look, my god, on UV, up. Now with UV you can detect like this. Now if I turn on the white LED, look what's here. Some bottles. Again the UV. It's pretty amazing. As I walk. Now if I turn on the white LED, what's there? Some plastic. Again. Now the red laser. It's strong enough. Look. On the tree. Now the light has magnetic base. Like this. Double click to get the RGB. Again click to red breathing on. Again blue. Now the final on, it's very impressive. The beacon, red, blue and RGB flashing all together. It's very powerful. Okay, that's all. Hope you like it. Thank you very much.